guys, and welcome to another monthly plan with me video. I am planning my March monthly meal plan, and for this month I am looking for inspirations going back to my cookbooks. These are my own recipe organizers, and just so you kind of see how I did them, I have a video how I actually organized them, and in here I put only recipes that are family favorites, tried, tested, and true family favorites. So I have soup, freezer meals. Then in this one I have appetizers, seasonings, baking, breakfast, salads, and vegetable sides, and in here are meat and fish. So like I said, I only put things that I know are great and I have made them several times and they're family favorites. I'm also referring to some of my old Weight Watchers cookbooks just to get some inspirations for some new meals, and also back to Pinterest, because you cannot go wrong to go back to Pinterest. I am using my meal planning binder. If you haven't had a chance to see how I made this binder, make sure you check it out. And I am in a new month. I don't know where the new month starts. Oh, right here. And I will be planning for March, so come along. First thing that I do is I set up my calendar with the dates. Then I look back at my calendar on my phone and on my planner, and I figure out what days I need what, if don't need dinners or things like that. So I know for the 16th I don't need to make dinner because we are going to a party, and I most likely won't need dinner here because we're going to my mother-in-law's. Then over here we have a tournament, so I will do pot roast for that day, and then I need 2 more slow cooker meals here, which I have to figure out what I'm gonna make, because we have tournament here and we have dance competition here. Those are the 2 that I will have to figure out. And then I'm just gonna write no Matthew because my son will be away for these days. Can make dinners that maybe he's not crazy about and my daughter likes, so I can do that here. And I think that's about it for as far as our stuff go, what we have to do. And now I can start planning it out. I know that my husband wants to do red curry, Thai curry, so I'm gonna put that here. And we also want to make pork carnitas. Actually, that would probably be a better meal for a weekend. I'll do it right here. And then I also know that we're making sausages here, so I will have fresh sausages for dinner here. I think I am going to make lasagna here, and we'll probably have it for 2 days. And I think that's what's gonna happen here too. I'm gonna put butter chicken here. I'm also going to add Thai turkey wraps here and Korean chicken thighs. Those are some of our favorites. On this day, because my son comes back, I am going to make chicken schnitzel because that's his favorite. Over here we'll do salmon with pesto crust. It's the new recipe I've tried last month and it was a big hit, so I will repeat that. I will do white fish here, and I will do with the crust as well because it seemed to like that. And then I think here I'm going to do spaghetti, and I'm gonna do pork tenderloin in wine sauce. Another favorite, do black pepper stir fry. That's from Pinterest under new dinner. I think we'll do maybe homemade pizzas again here. Going to do here Tuscan chicken in crock pot. I know I need crock pot. I said I was gonna do crock pot dinners here. Actually don't need a crock pot dinner here. I just remember we can have a nice dinner over here because this one is a little bit more involved, where I have to make the sauce, then I add the sauce, and then I have to cook noodles or things, whereas here I look for more things that are kind of all in one pot. But I think right here we can have steak, because hopefully the weather will be better, and bake loaded cauliflower. Weather will be a little nicer, maybe do a barbecue. So then looking at here, let's see what we can come up with. I think here I'm gonna do garlic butter chicken bites from Pinterest as well. So I think I'm gonna do a roast chicken here. I think I might do chicken burritos here because that I know I can do for sure. Make everything ahead of time. So I'll do that here. Shrimp linguine right there. And I will do maybe beef stew and do another salmon dish, and then maybe I'll do white fish here. Then here I have to figure out another pot roast, but I think over here we're gonna have to eat out because we're gonna be gone for most of the day. So over here I think we're gonna do ham dinner, and actually I'm gonna take this out because I will most likely have leftovers. So I hope this gave you some ideas, some inspirations for your next month menu planning. It is a lot of food. So what happens is that most of the time we stick to the meals for the week, but we might not stick to exact days of the week because of whatever comes our way. Something, life happens, right? So you don't always can do what you've planned to. But this way, at least I know how much chicken I need, or how much beef I need, or pork I need. And as it comes on sale, I can stock my freezer accordingly because I have some sort of a plan what my month of eating is going to look like, because I don't like paying regular prices for meat if I don't have to. Fish is probably the only exception where we actually most of the time pay regular price. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.